now we shall be discussing about viral genomes. Okay, we shall be discussing about viral genomes. Now when you discuss about the viral genomes, obviously guys, you know that virus has got two types of genetic material, right? So one type of genetic material is DNA and the other type of genetic material is RNA. Okay, it has got DNA, as well as some viruses have got DNA in it, whereas some viruses have got RNA within it. Now those viruses which have got DNA within them, okay, those viruses which have got DNA within them, you have to know whether it is a single stranded or a double stranded DNA. Basically DNA is double stranded, right? Double stranded means what, guys? So this is one chain, this is the another chain, and you have got bonds in between, right? So this is a double stranded DNA. And now one very important thing I want to highlight here is that all viruses which have got DNA as a genetic material, right? So all viruses with DNA as a genetic material, DNA as a genetic material, all of them, right? So if I take out 100 viruses, now all these 100 viruses are having DNA as a genetic material. For example, in all of them, if you look at the DNA is double stranded. In all of them, we have got double stranded DNA. But exceptions are everywhere except one group, that is Parvoviridae. Okay, so except Parvoviridae, remaining all virus groups, whatever are there, all of them, whoever is having DNA within them, the DNA is double stranded. But except for this Parvoviridae, because Parvoviridae, when you look at the DNA, it is single stranded. It is single stranded DNA, not double stranded. It is single stranded DNA. Okay, this is one very important point. Apart from this, when it comes to RNA, whatever RNAs are there, obviously RNA is a single strand like this, right? It is a single strand. So all viruses with RNA as a genetic material, all viruses with RNA as a genetic material, all of them, they have single strand, so they are called single stranded RNA. But exceptions are there again. So except Reoviridae. So Reoviridae is that group of virus which has got RNA, but this RNA is not single stranded, rather this RNA is a double stranded RNA. Double stranded RNA. So this is the most important thing you need to remember, right? So basically we have got two types of viral genomes. One is called DNA and RNA. Now when it comes to DNA has to be normally double stranded. So all of them have double stranded except Parvoviridae, right? Parvoviridae. And when it comes to RNA, normally RNA has to be single stranded, but there is also double stranded RNA, that is Reoviridae. Okay. Now another important thing you need to know regarding this group. What is this group? RNA, right? Another important thing you need to know regarding the RNAs is that there are some RNA which are having positive stranded. So these RNAs are called as positive stranded RNA viruses. So what are these RNAs called? They are called positive stranded RNA viruses. Now what are these positive stranded RNA viruses? The first important is retrovirus. The first important is retrovirus. Next we have got as Toga virus. And thirdly we have got Flavivirus. And obviously the coronavirus is also a positive stranded RNA virus. Coronavirus, right? And finally the Hippie virus. Hippie virus. So these are some of the examples of a positive stranded RNA viruses. Okay, so this is all you need to know regarding the differences between the DNA as well as the RNA viral genomes. Thank you so much for watching my lecture. Goodbye.